What is up, everyone? This is Seth with The Detail Doc, your ceramic coating and paint protection film specialist. This is a 2016 Cadillac CTS in flat black. We all know that black vehicles are extremely difficult to maintain. They show the swirl marks, scratches, and dirt super easily. Check out that deep shine, gloss, and reflection on this vehicle. This customer came to us wanting to ceramic coat their vehicle to protect it from the elements, from the chemicals, and to get rid of the dullness and swirl marks in their paint. So we did a two-stage paint correction to dial in the gloss, bring back that clarity and the shine, and holy smokes, this thing looks like an absolute piece of glass. Check that out. After that, we ceramic coat all the paint with our highest quality ceramic coating, Cquartz Professional. We ceramic coated the windshield for the Rain X on steroids effect, and ceramic coated the wheel faces to help protect them as well. So we did our level 2 ceramic coating package. This is going to make the vehicle extremely easy to keep clean. You're not going to have to wax it. It's going to have protection from the salt, the bugs, the etchings, the bird poop, and overall it's going to be a whole lot easier to take care of. Check out that beautiful shine, gloss, and depth. If you guys would be interested in any of our ceramic coating services, window tinting, or paint protection film, please contact us. You can give me a call at 989-244-0505. You can visit our website, www.thedetaildoc.co, and let's protect your investment. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone.